Assalamu alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. Welcome back to our journey through the life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. In this episode, we'll witness his youth, known for honesty and trust, and his blessed marriage to Khadijah radiyallahu anha. From a young age, Muhammad, peace be upon him, became known in Makkah as Al-Ameen, the Trustworthy. People trusted him with their wealth, secrets, and even disputes. His character shone through his honesty, modesty, and justice. Even as a youth, he never participated in idol worship, drinking, or immoral behavior. He was always drawn to solitude and deep reflection. He began working as a shepherd and later took up trade. His reputation for fair dealings reached Khadijah radiyallahu anha, a wealthy and noble businesswoman. She hired him to manage her trade caravan to Syria. Impressed by his honesty, success, and noble character, Khadijah radiyallahu anha proposed marriage. Though she was 15 years older, their hearts were united in faith, values, and love. Their marriage was one of deep love and respect. Khadijah radiyallahu anha was his first and only wife during her lifetime. She supported him through every hardship. They had 6 children together, including Fatima radiyallahu anha, who would later become the mother. This episode shows us the importance of honesty, integrity, and choosing a spouse who supports your deen. May we follow this beautiful sunnah in our lives. Stay with us for episode 3, the first revelation and the beginning of Islam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the light of Islam.